Here are the steps on how to delete a page on your Facebook account. Step 1, open your Facebook account. Step 2, click Pages. Step 3, click the three dots button. Step 4, click Switch Now. Step 5, click the switch button in the switch profiles. Step 6, click Settings. Step 7, click Privacy. Step 8, click Facebook page information. Step 9, click View button. Step 10, before you click the Continue button, you have the options to download your information in the page or transfer or copy the information. Step 11 provides options. Either deactivate the page or delete it permanently. Step 12, if you choose to delete the page permanently, click Delete Page, then click the Continue button. Step 13, before you permanently delete the page, enter your FB password. Step 14, click the Continue button. Step 15, to confirm page deletion, click the Continue button. That's it. The page is now deleted.